that guy not really wave at us? Because I think, reading some of the reviews, people were kind of complaining when you're up here looking for rocks that people on all these motorized vehicles ruining the area. Like, what is an OHV area if not a rock? Okay. Looks like we got something interesting coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna go right. Gut looks like it's probably not bad, but I'm gonna be a pussy. You do what you want. Oh yeah, definitely. All good so far. All good. Get the drop here. Be a little loose. Back left. Put up. Split in the middle. A little soft up here, but not sand. That's pretty cool. The dirt bike guys are watching you, so get some. Yeah, I like this better than the other side so far. But the other side was fun. Yeah. Yeah, we're not doing it out and back. Yeah. So we're not taking the well-traveled path. Oh boy. Right, nice mud pit. I don't know, it could be dry, but it looks like it was probably wet. Yeah. Actually, I remember this spot right here on the video I watched. A couple guys on little dirt bikes, just like the other guys we were just with. And they stopped right here, and the wind was howling, and the jerseys were fluttering in the wind. So yeah, this is where we want to go right. All right, let's do it. You want to go faster? You want to go in front, and I'll get some video of you? Whatever. Yeah. Yeah. All right, I was like right behind you. Whoa. Oh yeah. My front tire kind of buckled out, but it came right back underneath me. And then just let the bike do what it's going to do. I probably should use more space. Yep. That's so cool. This is awesome. Well, the younger guy told me, I asked him if he does the hill climb. He goes, not really. I'm not as brave as the other guy. He's young enough. Well, I know, those are, but on a light dirt bike I might try it because it wouldn't be so hard to get it back out. Alright, let's follow them. He kind of nodded his head. Come with us. Love the sound of the two-stroke. Got a little footage of you breaking loose there. He was watching your back tire. Wow, great big fucking bounce off my windshield. Yeah. Ooh. Oh. So cool.